Hello everyone, welcome back. If you would like to have a template for example, for a report, we can click on the new project and then click on reports, and then you see the different templates here. There are many templates here, so they are free. So this one is interesting because you can have the logo also here, but not here, for example, but not here. So it depends on what you would like to have, and there are many pages. So I'm going to simply click on the first one, open as template. And then here we are going to have the main file here. So the main tag is here that you're going to use for the compiling. You have the abstract included. So if I want to modify the abstract, you see that we have sections here. So each section is included in one tag file. So let me just include. Okay, so in the main file, we are basically including different tag files. So section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, and then the abstract here. So whatever that you would like to type down uh, in your files, you can basically do it directly in the relevant section here. So you see that section 1, section 2, section 3, and you have different parts here, and you have the reference list here. So basically, if you would like to modify the abstract, this is something that is included from before. You can start remove whatever that is there, and you can say, for example, this study is going to investigate the impact of different factors on the objective function, and then blah blah blah. So when I recompile, you should see the new abstract exactly function. So when I recompile, you see the new abstract. And then when I click in the intro part, so this part is something that is already included. And the section name is the introduction, and it has one subsection that is here, subsection. So this is the introduction. When I remove this, and the name of the subsection, problem description, for example. If you want another subsection, you can have search, for example. Let me recompile. So this is introduction. Uh, this is the introduction you see here. So this is the introduction. This is what I typed down here. And the first subsection, the second subsection, I can say the first subsection, the second subsection. When I recompile, you should see them here. Okay, great. And then if you're going to have the second section, so the name of the section could be, for example, literature review. So the second section is literature review. It has one subsection, another subsection here. So the section 3 could be, for example, I don't know, like mathematical formulation. And you can start writing down something about these. In this section, we are going to provide the notation used in our model and then the constraints, simply something like that. So let me just go to the next line so you don't see this one. Okay, so now this is the part, and we have a subsection here, for example, another subsection, and this is the line that is here. So depending on what you want to do, you can start typing down, and everything is included in the main file. So main file is having all the codes and not the details. So it is including the introduction, the second part, this third section, fourth section, and the abstract here. So the abstract also is included here, and also the reference list that is here, for example, references.bib. And this is how basically we can use a template for a technical report, for example. If you don't like this one, you can choose another one. It depends on you, but you can easily start and insert your data into an already made template. Thank you.